Hello, it's time to clear the rose bed so I can plant a few things next to the roses. The front of the allotment is getting overgrown again, so it needs another clear out. If we look at the plan for the allotment, here is the rose bed, indicated by the arrow. There is a lot of mint next to the roses that has gone to seed. It needs to be cleared out. I will take some of these and put them in containers so that they can be managed and not get out of control. There is an oak sapling in the middle of the roses, which was probably planted by a squirrel. Obviously it can't stay there as it will grow to be huge and take over the allotment. So unfortunately it has to be cut and removed. Now that I've removed this mint, well, I haven't removed it, I've just cut it all the way down to the ground and sort of cleared it out of the way of this rose. It looks a lot neater, doesn't look quite as weedy as it did before. And you can see all the rubbish at the bottom of the allotment, so I need to sort that out. But so this bed is done, and I've just chopped and dropped the mint, and I might leave it there for this year, not plant anything there, and then deal with it next year or in the autumn. The weeds and grass in front of the shed have grown a lot, so need to be cleared again. This is what it was like at the end of March after I cleared the front of the shed, so it has grown quite a bit in 3 months. The nettles area in front of the fence has also grown quite well, but something interesting has happened at the top end of the fence. It looks like somebody's harvested this batch of nettles here, because it's been cut and removed, not just chopped and dropped. And it should be like this, but somebody's harvested them. I guess if it's in the lanes, it's free to anybody, so anybody can come along and help themselves. So long as they don't come along and help themselves to my elderberries, I'm looking forward to them. Well, it's certainly looking a lot neater. I haven't bothered clearing the weeds up, but the access to that tap is clear, so when people want to get in, they're not going to get stung by nettles and things. And this side I've just chopped and dropped all the way along there, so that's cleared that bit up as well. So long as it's cut down and it's not going to go to seed, I'm not too worried about what it looks like. I could have used the nettles to make nettle tea, but I've got plenty on the actual allotment, so I don't need the extra nettles, so I'm just going to let it rot there. Well, that's another job done. It's not a very interesting job, but it was a very important job. In the next video I will build a brassica cage from some reclaimed pipes and plant some kale and Swiss chard. So goodbye for now, and come back soon.